Self-introduction. It's an easy one, yes. You might have seen everywhere. Yes, and how to introduce ourselves during interview. If you ask me in my point of view, I could say some tips to you. First of all, tell your name. But sometimes you need not say your names. If you are attending interview, already you submit a resume to them. But it's not offensive if you say your name, even though you had submitted already your resume. You tell your name and from where, and what's your education, your age, then what of your family, then your parents, and about your village, and what's your willing, what's your desire, what's your plan in the future. And what are you doing now? If you seek job, if you are seeking job, just tell frankly they are seeking job. If you had already worked, if you have worked already in any company, just express that. Just I have worked in this concern, that concern. You express that. Speak jovially. I mean casually, not jovially, just casually. Just I am so, just I am from so place. I am turning my son's age. There's, my family is nuclear, somehow joint family. Like this, how to speak. You should not read. I mean, your speech should not be like reading. I have completed some degree placement. Presently, I am seeking job to some companies. Otherwise, if you have worked earlier anywhere, just I have worked in some concern for 2 years. I did some project there. But if you need the explanation about the projects, and I could tell you, like that you can speak. Suddenly you need not explain about the project because they might not want that from you, the details, unless they ask. The answer the questions and what they asked. They have asked you, introduce yourself, right? Tell me your name. Tell them your name, then from where you are, then what are you, then what's your education, what's your age, then what about family, briefly just tell your family. My father is working somewhere. I mean, in summer, don't say summer. My father is abroad or my father is working in some office. My mother is just a homemaker or housewife. But express housewife or homemaker. Somebody is, my mother is making coffee, like the metaphorically somebody is speaking. My father is going office and my mother is making coffee like that. I have one sister, she is going college. I have one brother, he is working in some company. If your brother has gotten married, tell them my brother got married. But his wife, my niece, she is working somewhere like that. If there is situation to you, if there is no situation, you are lucky. If in your family, you, your father, your mother, maybe your sister, it's a nuclear family, it's not joint family. Otherwise, if a grandpa, grandma is living with you, that is a joint family. Or if you are living with your paternal uncles, maternal uncle, paternal uncle means brother of your father. If all of you are living together, that's a joint family. Yes, I'm coming from joint family. Like that you tell that. Why do they ask you this story about you? Through your speech, they would understand about your characteristics, how you are. Through speech we can understand a person's characteristic. That's why most of companies are asking, introduce yourself. That's ice breaking. They are breaking ice by asking the first initial question to you. Introduce yourself. It's a default question, almost all companies. In that case, don't get in panic. Don't come to the edge of the chair. You sit, you're comfortable in the chair. You can keep the file on your lap or on the table of the cabin. Anyway. No, unless they ask you, just don't submit in the first your testimonials. So you might attach, all the copies of testimonials along with the resume. Then if they ask you to submit your original, just you have to show it. But nowadays, and I would like to tell you frankly, submitting original certificates to any company or college is not safe. They may be asking you, why that. Only then so you will not run away from that without notification. There are many students and many workers are running away from any notification from a company. Even if anyone provides a private job from a transport owner, you would get the license, original license himself. Owner would get the original driving license himself. Because the person may be running away without notification. Like that, most of institutions, a good institution would not demand you to submit all your originals. If you scan and submit through mail, it's enough. But nowadays, many companies, MNC companies, are not demanding to submit original. Another one, the one also tasks and difficult to them to keep safe your testimonials. That's also one of the reasons. But they should trust you, whether you have educated or not. But the proof, what's the document? The documents is a proof of your education, that's all. Only by carrying documents, your skills aren't, weighed as in measured. Only by working only. Unless they ask you to submit your original, just show it. Yes, submit and get it back. Get them back. All more than one testimonies there, Scanning original. Scanning originals and digitally, nowadays, but many guys are scanning only copies. Photocopies. Safer. Scanning photocopies is safer than scanning original. But some companies, some private, about private, even if you go any government job, government jobs, they would not demand to submit original. By referring. For reference, you have to show all your documents, that's all. Government job. If you are selected by writing or any service examination during interview, certificate verification is there, that. Yeah. But you must submit for 1 hour, that's all. They would, scan it. Scan means, glance it and go through it, how it is. They would compare with the photocopies already were submitted along with the application. Thereafter, the government companies or government organizations will return to you. They will not keep. There's no any rule and regulation to keep the original documents. Private companies is also misusing what if they are demanding and asking original documents. They too must return that. Which one? Your original document. They don't have rights. You are having only rights to have your originals. Is there any other question? I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. All the best.